if you want to connect your Google Pixel Watch 3 with the Health Connect, so first of all, you will have to be sure that your watch and your smartphone are connected with the same Google account on the Google Fit application. And also we have to be sure that you have the latest version for the smartwatch and for your phone. Of course, I'm talking about the Google Fit application. And when you did it, you will have to open the Google Fit application on your phone and go into the Home. Then select this option to synchronize Google Fit with the Health Connect and click to get started. Now you will have to click to Setup in the right bottom corner and accept all of these permissions. Then click Allow in the right bottom corner. And as you can see now, it looks like that we are connected. And to see and manage the data Fit, we have to access and manage our connected apps, and we have to go to the profile. There we go. So now let's see if it actually works like that. As you can see now, we've got the switcher with the Health Connect. And let's see if we are connected. No, we don't have this information here, but we've got the switcher, so it looks like that we are connected with the Health Connect. I'm not sure if we can actually find it right here. Yeah, it's right here, so we have to download it right now. And probably we will be right now connected thanks to this simple setup in the Google Fit application. Okay, and as you can see right now, we are redirected into the Google Fit. So it means that, yes, right now, yeah, there's the recent access. We are successfully connected with the Health Connect. Now we get some permissions if we want to adjust them. But yeah, that's how it looks. Thanks for watching.